No, it's okay. Vaishnavi, do you have any year gap during 10th and 12th? Because the 10th you have completed in 18.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what
Yes, sir.
what what was
I
the
have
reason?
1 year. Sir, actually, there is a backlog in my maths paper.
Okay, okay. Mm, Next. So, Vaishnavi, will move to the question part directly. Okay. Uh, uh,
Okay,
Tell
sir.
me what is a local and global variable?
A local variable is basically a variable which is declared within the class, and the accessibility of local variable is within the function from which they are declared, and the global variable are the variable which are declared outside from the class, and they can access. We can access the global variable globally, means uh, from anywhere in the program.
Okay. And what is a static variable?
Such static variable is the variable uh, which of which value is static, and it is also declared within the within the block of code.
Within the block of code. And what is the
Within
accessibility?
the
What is the accessibility of the system?
accessibility is sir, the accessibility it retains its value among function calls, but its accessibility is within the function in which they are declared.
What is a volatile variable?
Sir, volatile variable is the variable which indicates that a variable can change their value in the program by some external factors like operating systems factors.
Okay. Uh, have you studied multi-threading?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is a multi-threading?
Sir, multi-threading is very powerful mechanism in Java, which is the we can execute multiple thread simultaneously.
Okay. And what is a deadlock situation?
Deadlock situation is basically a situation when if suppose there are two threads or multiple threads are there, and one thread is try to access some resources that are acquired by second thread, and second thread is try to access the resources which are acquired by the first thread, so it creates the deadlock situation.
What is an abstraction?
So abstraction is the feature of object-oriented programming, which is the in which we only provide the salient or important feature, or important part of the programming, and hides the irrelevant data from the user, which are not necessary to know.
Okay. Is it related with
Yes.
some functional interface, or if I would say, what is an functional interface?
So functional interface is the interface in which only one abstract method is declared.
Okay. And what is encapsulation?
Yes. So encapsulation is the process of binding the data member and member function within the same block.
Okay. And what is inheritance?
Inheritance is also a very powerful mechanism of object-oriented programming language in which we can access the in which a class can access the properties of another class. Means this subclass can access the properties of superclass. It makes the code reusability and optimization of code.
Okay. Multiple inheritance is possible in Java or not?
No, sir, multiple inheritance not supported by Java.
Okay. And if,
because of ambiguity problem.
okay, okay. And what are the different kinds of inheritance?
There are five types of inheritance. First one is single inheritance, where there are one only one superclass and one subclass. The second one is multi-level inheritance. In multi-level inheritance, there are one superclass and more than one subclass. Third is the multiple inheritance, which is not supported by Java because of an ambiguity problem. Fourth one is hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, there is one superclass and more than one subclass, and the subclasses are directly connected to each other. Maybe they a combination of more than one inheritance.
Okay. What is a Java source file?
Java source file is basically a text file in which the source code is declared, which is written in the Java programming, and the source file of Java is basically with dot class extension,
Okay, and what is the bytecode?
dot Java extension. So the bytecode in Java is the source code of Java is compiled into the machine code for Java Virtual Machine, and the machine code for this Java Virtual Machine is basically known as the bytecode, and this is represented by dot class file.
Okay. What are the keyword that is reserved in Java?
So there are total 51 keywords that are reserved
Okay. What is a
in
super keyword?
uh, super keyword. Super keyword is the keyword which is used to access the super keyword is the keyword which is used to declare the object of its parent class.
Okay. Okay, Vaishnavi. Overall, it was good. Anyone else who want to ask question
Thank
from
you, sir.
Vaishnavi? Okay. Thank you, Vaishnavi. And we'll